Hi students, I welcome you all in lecture number 13 in which we'll see our next premium theme, which is Electro in detail. Okay, so what we will learn today, we will see all of the Electro extensions, all of the theme settings in detail. Then we'll see about every plugin which comes with the Electro theme in detail, and we'll also see some theme tour. Uh, Maybe the students who haven't understood the theme yesterday, so I'll also tell you the theme tour once again. Then I'll give you introduction to WP Bakery by opening the tool, and also I'll tell you about the settings of WP Bakery, and then we will say about the slider revolution, another plugin. It is also a premium plugin. It comes with the premium themes, and we can buy it separately, but it is premium, it is paid. Then we will see about the WP forms. It is also paid, but it comes with the premium themes as well, like Slider Revolution. Then we will see that how to work with Elementor and WP Bakery combined. Okay, so I'll tell you that for example, if we have like 3 pages, one of them is made with WP Bakery, and we want other pages to be compatible with Elementor and on the same theme. So yes, how we can do that. And next thing is how to import and export your WordPress files, because some students are facing the issue of localhost, and they might lose their work, or maybe they can lose their work online on online servers. So I'll tell you about briefly about import and export thingy. Then you can never just lose your work. Okay, and task is to practice the class task on your server. Okay, let me move on to the browser. Okay, uh, so first of all, it is just showing me the updates, so I'll just go to updates and just update the theme plugins. Okay, this Electro extension needs to be updated. So first of all, let me just click update. Now it is getting updated, and I'll just first of all we'll just see about the Electro extensions in detail. So right now I'll be telling you about all the Electro extensions. Okay, so our update is completed successfully. Let us go to the dashboard, and we have already installed Electro theme, which is premium theme. Okay, and because we have installed a new theme, so it comes with a WooCommerce setup. Actually, this theme is for e-commerce websites, so we have to just set up the WooCommerce. So first of all, let me just start selling and make the WooCommerce setup. Start. Okay, it takes me to the setup wizard of WooCommerce. It will ask for some steps. Yes. So I'll give details of my store here. Suppose house number 86, street 42, Omia. Maybe spellings can be wrong. Maybe it's with U. Yeah, maybe. And Sweden. Okay, and let me just search for the country. Sweden came, and I will just delete the city here as well. It's maybe Omia or with O, and okay, I have to write. Maybe I'll just select Pakistan then, because I don't know about the postcode of, yeah, this one, and the postcode is 38,000. I'll just continue my setup. Okay, so I'm just making fashion and apparel accessories. I can just click on anyone. Okay, I'll be selling physical products. We can also have some other products to be listed, and but some of these are paid if we want to allow some membership products or subscription products or bookings or bundles and customizable products. So download and physical products are for free. So I'll just be clicking physical products on the second step, and business details, how many. Okay, it's 4 step, and I'm planning to display 11 to 100 products, and I'm not currently selling anywhere. I'm setting the store for client. Um, Add recommended business features. I don't want to add some recommended business features because it is dealing in some plugins. I don't want that. Okay, so it is asking me for the theme. Currently, I'm okay with the active Electro theme. So WooCommerce is, I think so, setup. It will ask for a few more details. Let me go back to dashboard and see that if it is completely configured, because if still it is showing some steps to do, yes, it is showing some steps to do, so I'll have to do it. Next, 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 let's go. Okay, and I'll just make like 30. Okay, dismiss. Let me just quickly add payments. I'll tell you in detail about everything, and I will just set up tax here. Okay, I'll insert a row. You just have to enter country code, just like I'm doing. It's PK for Pakistan, and I don't have to just do anything else, and it will be 10%. If I want to charge 10% on the Pakistan products. Okay. Okay. I'll just dismiss this notice because I don't want to activate these things. Okay, now I'll get back to dashboard and see if okay, 3 of the steps are done and I'm left with the 3. I have to add one product. Let's name it as ABC, and I'll just write the fake description or dummy description. Let it be loaded first. Okay, I'll just make it and categorize it. This is product description, and I'll just set up an image. I'll see for something in media library. Okay, it is loading. It might have some big media library because that's why it is loading. Okay, I'll just click this one and I'll set it as product image. And I'll just publish this product. So my one product is published. I'm done with the 5th step, I guess. and I will go to dashboard once again. Okay, connection is lost because connection is coming. Why it is lost? Let me check. Okay, so connection is okay now. So I'll just refresh the dashboard and see that how many steps are done. Okay, let me just go back to the steps. Okay, I have products. What is showing me? Okay, I've added products and everything. Okay, I'll just set up marketing tool. Actually, I don't want that. I'll just go back to the step required. One more. Okay, personalize your store. I want to skip this, and complete task. And I want to dismiss this. And okay, I also want to dismiss these messages. Okay, I don't want Jetpack. Okay, now everything is done. Okay, so then I'll be just going to the first thing of today's lecture. I'll just go into Electro Extensions. Okay, right now how my site looks. Let me just open it in a new tab. Uh, Today we'll just go through this navigation. First of all, we have generic options. Okay, right now it is looking like this. I have a menu here and here. Okay, so maybe if I want it in dark mode, I'll just save changes. I'll also make this enable on the front end. Now when I'll just refresh the page. Okay, this is the home page. So it is in dark, and I'll just make it lighter as well. Okay, so everything is coming in like different short codes. Okay, so this was the page. I'll just when I'll just make it in a new way, so this shortcode will be gone. So right now this is our home page, and this is the dark switcher. Okay, if we can disable or enable scroll to top from here, you will see scroll to top like this one. Okay, and I'll just click it and I'll just go to top. And if I have any default image size, if I want to, I can do it. Okay, if these changes are for this section, if I want to reset this section, I can. If I want to reset all of the settings, I can. Okay, so next thing would be the shop, and catalog mode is if I don't want to sell, I just want to display my products, that I can enable catalog mode. Otherwise I should make it disable. If I have some brands related to some products, I can make a new brand in attributes of the products here, attributes, and then it will start appearing here. Okay, if I have the comparison page, I can just make a new page with the name comparison. I can select from here. Okay, I will be doing that in when we're designing. Okay, so shop jumbotron is no detail, and because I it is like if we'll make a specific static blog and just make it specific for the shop page. Maybe I want to display some specific thing on the shop page. Then jumbotron is alternative of a div. Maybe you are from the coding background, so you know about the div. So if anything I want to show on the shop page, I can just make it. Okay, this is the layout. We have grid here on the left side, the sidebar. Okay, and the sidebar is at left, and this is the layout of the sidebar and number of subcategories, the number of columns here, which is 3. We can just change it. Number of products column in wide mode, if we'll make it wider without any sidebar. So how many products it will show? It will show 5, and number of products per page, total number of products per page will be 15, and I can just enable the sale batch. Okay, this is single product setting. It maybe have like left sidebar. If I want to enable or disable it, I can just do it here on the single product. And I want to enable related products. I want to enable single product sale timer. If I want to display a sale timer from what day till it has a sale, and from what time to time it has sale. Okay, product gallery carousel. I want to enable the gallery carousel under the main image. I want to display carousel of showing the side images of any, let's say a shirt or a shoe. We can also show the other side. Maybe we have a car, so we can just show the exterior, interior, or everything. So this is related to that. And sticky add to cart in mobile. Add to cart, it's sticky, should be sticky in mobile as well, because in desktop it will be sticky. Okay, these are some text. And okay, this is a related plugin Dukan. It is just to make multi-vendor. In upcoming lectures we'll be making multi-vendor, so I'll just tell you these things then. Okay, and this is related to the header settings. Right now we have header like this. Okay, and okay, we want to show top bar. If we don't want, let's say I don't want this top bar, so I'll just save changes. Okay, so this top bar will disappear. Right now it has nothing in top bar, but it is showing the place of the top bar, so it will disappear now. Okay, so it is disappeared. I'll just make it into lighter, because by default I've set it to dark. Okay, I should set it to light. Okay, I don't want this header, because I've told you it has 11 type of different head layout styles. But let me just see that if it has given 7 or 11. Okay, it has given 12. Suppose I want to display the 12 and I want the sticky header. Okay, I'll just save the change. So this display will be changed now. Okay, so it is changed. Sure, it is looking very cool. Okay, and then okay, if this is sticky, yes, it is sticky. It's looking cool. And then the tooltip is just like the thing which comes under the written thing. This white label which is disappearing, it is tooltip. Okay, this white thing. So it just shows that on which thing my pointer is. Okay, and it should come in the bottom, like this is coming in the bottom. And header style is version 12, and I have enabled sticky header. If I want to upload my logo, I can do it here. Right now it is showing Electro, but I want to display my own logo. So what I'll do is I'll just upload any logo, and let me uh, maybe here. Okay, it should be here. Be any. Let's say, okay, this one. Okay, I'll just add this logo here, and this will be saved. So this is the Napper titles. Okay, and this is header search for any product, the placeholder, show search categories drop down. Okay, so everything related to search, enable live search. It is just like when we'll search, it is come from ADAX. ADAX work here. Suppose if I want, I will search anything in the search bar. Where is the search? Okay, I'll show you when in the search box, and disable drop down menu in the header card. Okay, off canvas card. This card will just go into the separate page, not into the pop-up thing. So I have just enabled. Okay, I've just enabled the pop-up card and header user account icon. I just want to display it. Okay, and I'll just save changes. Okay, the footer. I just want to show brand slider in the footer. Uh, I don't want to touch drag slider because I don't want that brand slider to be fixed. And number of brands to show in the slider, it would be 12. I want to show the footer widgets, and footer widgets should be 4, and footer newsletter section is on. It will be a pop-up, or no, it will not be pop-up. I'll show you in while designing this newsletter. And contact blog on the footer should be open, and I want to okay, set the different logo on the footer, maybe the same, but we can do it in a different way as well. Okay, I'll just put logo here, and I'll save changes. Okay, so call as text, call as icon, show footer address. This the way here we can put the address and call as number. And I want to show the social icon in the footer. Okay, footer bottom widget. Footer bottom is where you write the credits about who have developed this website and all rights the thing. So yeah, I have enabled it, and this is the text. Okay, and I want to, if I want to add payment icon, I can just add the gallery about the payments. If I want to show it here, okay, here, okay, I can just show it. And this is section is saved. And next thing would be about mobile. If I want to have a separate page in mobile, and I'll just select that page here. If I want to add different logo for mobile, if I want to have different header style for mobile, I can do it here. Light background, I can do it here. I want to make sticky header on mobile or not, I can do it here. Okay, add to cart button should show on mobile or not, it is here. And footer logo is here for mobile. We have two types of footer version as well. We have footer bottom widgets on mobile or not, it should the option is here. So navigation option is if it is if now right now it is clickable, so when I click it appears. So I can just make it on hover as well. When I'll just put the mouse over it, it will just open up. And okay, so we have primary, secondary, navigation, and navigation. Okay, this one is secondary and this one is primary. Okay, so we have different type of navigations into Electro Theme. Top bar is also divided into two categories. Okay, so top bar navigation is clickable. If I want to add some top bar and navigation to that top bar, we'll see everything in detail while we're designing. But I'm just making you through the, you can say, options. Okay, in header 9 navbar we have drop down trigger, so it would be clickable or on hover. Okay, so I'll just save the changes. And this is related to blog. If I want to make the normal view or the grid or list, where in Notion WP we made a thumbnail, if you remember. So I'll just normally simulate, grid is another type and list is another type. And if I want to place a placeholder image, just to show the main heading, main image of a blog, that which says that it is the blog page. If I want okay, this is a sidebar setting of the single post. When I'll open the post, it must have sidebar on the right side. And if I want to display the author info who have written the blog, and this is social media setting throughout the website. If I want to have display social media icons everywhere, so I will just put the links here, and it has a long list of social icons. So it is related to the styling. So I don't want to use predefined color. My primary color is blue, and if I want to include custom CSS, I can do it inline or outline, and I can just add custom CSS here. And for the typography, I don't want to use default. I want to use title for with Oswald or maybe Poppins. I can just search here and I can just add it. If I want the body text to be open sans or Montserrat or anything else, I can do it here. And this related to import and export, what settings we do for the options, we can just import it or export it. Okay. Okay, the next thing would be plugins. Okay. I'll just open the plugins page and it will let you know that what plugins we are using. We are using from here. The new plugins are okay. Uh, this is not related. These are not related, which are deactivated, and this one is also not related. So I'll deactivate it because right now I'm using the old server. So what are activated are usable. Chatty will be used, contact form 7 will be used, Electro Extension will be used, Elementor Pro will be used, Invato Market, it's the market from where I have bought this theme, so that's why whichever theme come from Invato Market, so it shows the plugin of Invato Market. And I'll use this Forminator for making different forms, and this MailChimp for newsletters, and one-click demo import. Okay, we can also import some demo. I'll tell you in the next lecture how to just import all of the pre-made templates like we did in Elementor. But this theme also provides us the pre-made templates, but I'll tell you in the next lecture. Okay, so these are some add-ons for Elementor. We'll also work with the simple SSL. We'll also in this theme we get this framework which is Redux, which will help us in designing. Okay, this is regenerate thumbnail. So this is for the making images optimized, and this is slider revolution. Smush is also making make sure that how to optimize the images in WooCommerce, and WP file manager is the what I've shown you in the yesterday's class. And WP reset, it is from the old website. I've told you that I'm using old server, and this is our main focus, WP Bakery page builder, and we'll be using WP Forms Lite and WooCommerce compare and wish list. Okay, so this was with the plugins. Then this is the thing I've already given you, so uh, I'll just remove this. And now I will just tell you about the WP Bakery settings and introduction to WP Bakery. Okay, so first of all, let me get back to this the settings. So I'll just from this role manager, we can allow that who can use WP Bakery. This is according related to license, and these are pro premium features, shortcode and mapper grid builder, and this is about and about the WP Bakery. So this is the main thing, general settings. Okay, Google fonts are Latin, and I'll just disable responsive content elements. I don't want to disable responsive content. Okay, if we have this enabled, we can just disable the default, which is Gutenberg editor. I don't want to disable it, but we can disable it. Okay, the post type, if I want to add any template under blog and I want to design it on that specific template, with the help of WP Bakery, I can do that. And if I have some specific template pre-made for the pages, I can do that here. For the products, for landing pages, for static content, I will also tell you in detail about static content in next lecture. Okay, so this is the role manager. These are the same settings which we have here. Where is WP Bakery? Okay, they're here. Okay, so it is a role manager for administrator. What can administrator do? Okay, and next thing is license, and this is shortcode mapper. So this is a pro feature. We don't need to understand it because we can do everything with the simple page builder as well. Okay, now I will go to the WP Bakery, and let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you how to access. It is similar like the Elementor. So we'll go to all pages, and in this I can just edit this by WP Bakery. So right now I'm opening it here. I'll also view it here, and I'll open this with Elementor as well. So yes, this is how we can just make it combine, because some of the pages are made by Elementor and some of the pages are made by WP Bakery. So both are supported in this theme. So we can just make it combined. We can just, if we want something to be designed on Elementor, and if I want something to be designed on WP Bakery, and just put the all of the pages under the same menu in the same theme. So this theme supports both of the tool builders. Okay, so right now this is the current, it is showing some code because Zante was previous theme which I was using. So I'll just delete this code and try to design it on the Elementor. Okay, sorry, on the WP Bakery. So right now I'll just delete this. Okay, and I'll just update this. Okay, and okay, I'll just refresh it. So always remember, it is similar like Elementor. Always remember we have to go to this backend editor, because this is the front end. It just work like the preview button of Elementor. So this is the preview of the page, and I'll go to the main backend editor where we have WP Bakery editor. And in the next lecture, I will tell you how to edit the page and design the pages. Okay, so this is a preview. I don't want to see the preview, and I'll just go to the backend editor. It's simple. We have to just add an element. We have everything pre-defined, pre-made widgets. Okay, I don't want to do it with Elementor. I want to do it with the WP Bakery. So it must show me the backend editor here. Okay, it is showing. So first of all, I would like to add an element. So I'll just click here. So okay, so we have every element like Elementor here. If I want like video or contact form or any simple, okay, well, just click simple row. In each simple row, I want the contact form. Okay, so it is pre-made. If I want to edit this contact form, it will ask me to add the contact form and the title, contact us here. Okay, I'll just save the change, and if I want to edit it, I can edit it. This will okay. Okay, so we have two type of settings here. This is the column setting. If I want to make this column bigger or divide this column into different sections, and this is the widget setting from here, and I can duplicate here, I can delete it here. I'll tell you everything in detail how to use it in next lecture, but I just want to show that how it works. So I'll just update it and let it get updated, and I'll see that on about page it must show the contact form. Okay, so I'll just preview changes. Okay, so it is displaying contact us form here. So it is already like this is newsletter, and footer and header is pre-made. So we'll just design everything in detail in the next lecture. So I hope you have understood all of the things which are related, and I'll tell you about the designing in next lecture. We'll design a complete e-commerce shop using this WP Bakery. So I hope you liked today's lecture. Bye for now.